Hey guys, we're here with the Best in the West. So today we're at the horse barn and we're gonna fix this place up a little. Let me show you around. So we got a few sale horses over here. Let me show you the barn. So this is the barn. Here's little Fiesta. She's cute. And Mama D, she's a thoroughbred.
How much is this horse? What's the deal with this horse? How old is this one?
This one's a little 4-year-old filly. Thoroughbred, broke as hell.
How many hands?
So I just made a YouTube channel at West Coast Equine. You guys can check me out there. Today we are going to be moving all of this sand. We got a low point right here, so I know it doesn't rain too much in Southern California, but that is a low point. So we're going to move the sand that is out in the arena right there to here. So I'm over here in beautiful Orange Park Acres, California. We got a little heat wave coming, so no beach time today. Got to get shit done. So this is the arena with the barn behind me. All right, so I'm in the little gator right here, and this is how we get around the barn. So
we're gonna be grading and doing some different stuff around here today. We'll show it. How many horses you got here?
We got two sale horses left. We started off with 10.
That's one spot we're fixing.
Right?
Holy crap.
So we started off with 10, and I have 2 left, and they're really, really good. They're both mares. I'm going to take you to the other side so you can see what... we got a bunch of projects going on here.
There's it up here.
So
that's another thing we're fixing.
Like Mr. Toad's Wild Ride.
Here's the other side of the barn.
So these are these 2.
How many we got over here?
We got a little bay and a little roan filly, both thoroughbreds. I already rode 3 of them this morning, 2 more to go.
It's gonna be 95 today. I was told we were going to the beach and I ended up over here grading.
All right, here's little Jake. Here's my 2 little guys, my 2 little Mustangs.
Are those your personal horses?
These are my personal horses, and they're part of the itty bitty committee.
Oh man.
I like them small and compact.
There's Tawny over here.
Tawny, this is my friend's little quarter horse. She's
we just
cute.
got this track, this lift running, so we're gonna move it. We're gonna move the stalls from over here to over here. So we're gonna be vlogging from here, like on the grid, not off the grid. We're off the grid, but we're on it.
City ranching. Let me show you guys this pretty nice sized forklift that's for sale. This bad boy's got a cat motor. It's running like a champ. For 15 grand, I'll give you guys a little more walkthrough another day and see it going, all the hydraulics and everything work.
I'm selling the lift too.
It's really nice, the lift and everything with it. Let's get grading.
Guess we're going to work on Sunday, man. We'll be vlogging from the U.S. Open, the U.S. Surf Contest. You guys will see that, and the air show.
Let me introduce you to the one and only Bob Anderson.
Give him away, Bob. You know what Bob said? Why I'm in a handbasket? Where am I going?
Here's Robert Anderson, the owner of the property, and he kicks ass. Here's the old cowboy for you.
He ain't taking.
Say hey, Bob.
Hi.
but that was not regular sand. That's like ground up roofing material and whatnot. That was dusty as shit. I had a full load of water on that and it wasn't doing a damn thing. But anyways, at least it's over with. I feel like crap. I think I ingested rubber or whatnot. I might have gotten high. Who knows? But this is what we're going to do next, and I think we're going to call it a day and get to the next projects after that. We got a ramp right here that every time we go up there, back of the horse trailer bottoms out. So we need to elongate a little bit and make it less of a slope. Decrease the percentage. And we'll be good. So my new horse trailer doesn't keep bottoming me out. And the only reason why we moved that sand is a little deep in some areas. So when I'm pulling up there with the dually, it gets caught in there. But there's a dually for you. See you on the next one.